Hello everyone, by the way, my name is Kevin and welcome to our brand new modern home here in Angeles City worth 23 million pesos. It has a 200 square meter lot area and a 320 square meter floor area. Meron siyang 4 na bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and meron siyang 2 carports. Of course, siyempre, meron tayong pool. And upon checking the house, meron pa ako nakitang extra bedroom na pwede mong gawin for maid's room and a room for office or a gym. So what are you waiting for? Samahan niyo ako. Let's check inside the house. So as you can see, we have our mini garden here. Okay? Ayan, para sa mga plantito and plantitas of course. And dito naman po, located yung carports natin. Kasya 2 SUV, kasya isang SUV or a sedan. And we have our swimming pool here. And meron pa siyang kasamang, ayan, yung pool spa. Okay? And you can see our ceiling. Colored brown, tapos meron siyang soft cream walls with built-in lighting. So parang nasa hotel. And ito, meron tayong gate of course. And right now, let's go inside the house. Ayan. By the way guys, ito, yung materials na ginamit natin sa pinto ay thick wood yung ginamit nila dito. And meron siyang smart lock here. Ayan. Actually, kaya isa sa mga bahay ito na napawaw ko kasi talagang pinag-isipan yung mga design. Sa tiles pa lang, and makita mo yung stairs, ayan, thick wood din yung ginamit. And this is your living area. Okay? Isa pa sa pinakagusto ko dito, yung materials na ginamit dito na acacia wood, solid wood po yan. Kasama to dun sa property na mabibili po ninyo, kasama yung gamit dyan. We have our entertainment area. Ayan, di ba? Ganda. Okay, so right now, let's proceed with the dining naman. Ayan. Acacia rin yung ginamit dito sa materials ng table. Ayan. And then, together with a modular kitchen. So, soft close yung mga cabinet dito, guys. Okay. And we have our quartz here. Together with the stove, exhaust, kasama yan. And of course, your sink. Okay. And of course, right now, guys, proceed naman tayo dito sa kanilang powder room. Ayan. Yung door, ganun din. Thick wood din ang ginamit.
And meron tong smart toilet dito at saka sa second floor.
Let's proceed dun sa isang bedroom na nasa ground floor. Here it is. Look at the ceiling, guys. Cube ceiling na rin siya. Ayan.
But before going upstairs guys, so right now, let me show you the door access papuntang swimming pool area natin.
Ayan.
Okay, so we're done with the ground floor. So right now, let's go upstairs. This is where the bedrooms and private spaces are totally designed.
High ceiling. We have our chandelier here. Okay, pwede mo rin iba-iba ang kulay niyan. Pwedeng warm, pwedeng white color, alright?
Very creative talaga yung mga design dito sa bahay mo.
Every corner of the house, may kanya-kanya mga design siya. And we have our painting here. Okay? Cube ceiling ulit. High ceiling talaga siya, guys. And right now, on this part, meron tayong 3 kwarto. So, i-check natin bawat isa. Ayan. Parang katulad lang siya nung design dun sa ground floor, pero mas pinalaki. And meron din siyang banyo dito. Ayan. So, let's proceed with the second room. By the way, guys, dito sa taas, yung mga kwarto nila, may mga built-in cabinet na silang kasama. Okay? And then, meron silang banyo din dito. Alright? Now, let's proceed with the master's bedroom na may balcony. Ayan. And syempre, master's bedroom, mas malaki siya. At okay, dito tayo sa bathroom.
And then, dito rin sa wardrobe area, connected na rin yung master's bathroom with bathtub. Perfect siya para sa relax after a long day, para kang naka-private spa sa bahay mo.
Bathtub, nandito rin. Sa lahat ng properties na hawak ko, ladies and gentlemen, mga ma'am and sir, isa to sa mga pinakamaganda na pwede ko i-offer sa'yo. And right now, let's proceed with the balcony. Uy, dito muna tayo sa vanity area. Ayan. Siyempre, balcony wherein you can enjoy your drinks or a liquor together with your friends or family. And let's proceed naman dun sa isang kwarto wherein you can put your gym equipment or sabihin natin, kahit office. Ayan. So, if you're interested to this property, what are you waiting for? Message me now. Let me take you a tour dito sa property here in Angeles. Again, my name is Kevin. Message me now. See you here.